Welcome to online class. This class is presented for ACC Examinee 2020. I will discuss most important question and answer technique of the question in this slide. My dear student, how are you all? I hope you all are well. I am also fine in this pandemic moment. Our today's subject, English first paper, level ACC under Bangladesh National Curriculum. This class is presented by MD Rashidul Islam, complete graduation and post-graduation in English from the Department of English, Jagannath University, Dhaka. Professionally, I am a lecturer in English. My dear student, our today's question, information transfer into the box. This question is very important for the examination. I hope you will be able to give the answer of the question after the end of the class. You will get a technique to answer of the question. You will get a standard guideline to give the answer of the question. At first, we have to read the passage. The passage is taken from Unforgettable History, Unit 1, Lesson 1 of English first paper, ACC textbook. I stand before you with a heart overflowing with grief. You are fully aware of the events that are going on and understand their import. We have been trying to do our best to cope with the situation, and yet, unfortunately, the streets of Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi, Rangpur are awashed with the blood of our brothers. The people of Bengal now want to be free. The people of Bengal now want to live. And the people of Bengal now want their right. The question is termed as information transfer in the curriculum. At first, you have to read the passage carefully and you have to understand the vocabulary from the passage. Then you will be able to give the answer of the question. This is the question pattern for your examination. At first, you have to read the upper topic. What, who, source, why, what, when, how. What indicate the definition, who indicate person, source indicate the source of the event, source of the occurrence, why indicate the reason, and what also indicate definition, and what also indicate the technique, procedure. When indicate time, how indicate the elaboration, of the occurrence, details description of the occurrence. At first you have to understand the clue. Suppose a dot dot dot. The answer must be following what and who. Source. This blank must be answer following source. Why what dot dot dot. This answer must be following why and what in the passage. Okay, let's take the technique of answering the question. Dot 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 died dot 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 by shooting. Who died? Why died? Who died? Why died? Two questions. The people of Bengal died. Why died? What died? For their right. The people of Bengal died for their right by shooting of Pakistani military. This is the answer. So I stand before you. Right. Brothers are awashed blood. Are awashed with blood for their right. They are died for their right. They are also died for their right. So the answer, the people of Bengal died for their right by shooting. Next question. The people of Bengal took part in movement. Why? In 1971. The people of Bengal took part in the movement. Why? To free the country. To free the country. In 1971. Took part in the movement to get liberation. To get liberty. In 1971. This is the answer of the question. The answer may be different. Doesn't matter. But the answer must be relevant with the passage. The answer must be relevant with the passage. Their import to kill the people illegally. Their import to shut down the assembly illegally. Two questions. The answer may be, this question can be answered by two ways. Their import to shut down assembly illegally. I understand their import. Actually, their import, they understand, and the import indicate to shut down the assembly. This is the answer of the question. Next question. The streets of Dhaka are awashed. How? By the blood of our brothers. By the blood of people. Next question. Who stand? The passage indicate I stand. I stand. I indicate Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So the answer must be Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman stand for right with grief. I hope you will be able to give the answer. I hope you acquire the technique of answering the question. This question is very important for the examination to secure highest marks. If you follow my technique, I hope you will be able to give the answer of the all question. Thank you very much, my dear student. See you next class. Goodbye.